Right. Today, we're out at the gnarly part today. I'm going to show you how to throw the 18-inch back tire onto a brand new Warp 9 rim. What you need obviously your tube, the tire. These are the tools you need. You need a Coke, the rim lock, the rim band, and that's what I use. V-buddy, spoons, and a tire gauge. First thing you do is you need to put a brand new rim band on to protect the spokes from rubbing against the tube and creating all type of havoc. There should be one big hole in the Honda wheel, which is what this is. You line up the hole so the tube can go through it. So that's done there. Then you take your rim lock and it goes into one of the other holes here. Warp 9 for some reason puts the rim holes in triangle shape, and I'm not a big fan of that. It's normally a little hard. Take the brand new tube, this is the IRC heavy duty 18-inch tube. You can see it's heavy duty, and you would just I always like airing it up. I'm just going to come over here and air it up. One quick second. All you do is just make it so that it's got the round shape, but not too much air in it. That's perfect. And we use baby powder in here usually, but unfortunately we're out and I don't have time to put it on, so I'm going to do it up here to show you guys how to do it in this camera. I like inserting the tube inside the tire. And it's finding the valve hole a lot easier. Leave the valves come out a little bit like that. And you always got to look for the direction of the tire. This tire here, it's got an arrow that points this direction. So this tire is meant to drive that way. So the brakes are always on this side. So this is the right direction the tire should be spinning. You basically find the rim hole where I already got right here. And you stick. You stick the valve stem through that hole. I put the nut on just to hold it so it doesn't slide back through while I'm doing the installation. And you want to give it a nice push. Put the tube inside the tire. Now here's where you probably want to lubricate your tire, because when it comes to tire installation, lube is your best friend. I just use basically a soap water mix. Same stuff I use with a big tire machine here. And then you take one of your spoons, and because this is a brand new rim, you don't want to damage and scratch this brand new rim, or the customer might get pretty mad. Basically throwing the tire on one side only right now.